Hi everyone, I'm here with a mini photo album that I made using Kathy King's tutorial. It is the Picture Perfect Portrait Version Volume 2. And the album measures about 6 1/4 by about 8, and it's about 3 inches. And I made this mini album using a paper line by Echo Park. I'll put it in the description. It's a dinosaur, and I can't remember, but I'll put it in the description. So when I made this mini, I kind of ran out of paper, so I did some collaging here. I used some die cuts here to make some grass and some mountains, and then I did a little bit of glossy accent on the dinosaurs. And this is for my grandson Jacob, so I put his name there. And then I used the banners from the sticker sheet, and then I put a little sticker in the back. So this album opens like this. In the cover here I have a 4x4, and this is one of the sheets, the 4x6s, and then there's a photo mat on the back. And here we have what Kathy calls a wallet. So we have a layered pocket system here. This is a 3x4, and this is a 3x3, and this is a piece of acetate, so it's an acetate pocket. And then we have room for some 4x6s. And here we have some pockets and some more photo mats. And these are with the 3x4 cutouts, journaling spot, and a card. And it's magnetized. And here we have photo mats. And this I just left blank because my daughter will finish this up for Jacob. There's still some stickers from the sticker sheet, so she'll just use that. And then we have a 4x4 here, and a 4x6. And then that is another photo mat. And then we have an angle pocket on this side, and these are 3x3s, and there's room to stick your photo on the back of these. Oh, excuse me. And then we have more 4x6 photos, or 4x6s, yeah. And then here we have another acetate pocket. And this is a 4x4 photo mat. So the white is a 4x6, and then the black is a 4 1/4 by 6 1/4. And same with these, or just the black is a little bit bigger. And then we have 2 3x4s here, just did some paper piecing there. And then it repeats. So we have another journaling card here with a photo mat. You can put a photo down here, and then photo here. Hopefully you can see all this because I'm doing it with my camera, and I want to give Jacob the album tonight, so I'm hoping that you're gonna see it because I'm kind of rushing. Another acetate pocket. I love this paper, it's so cute. A 3x4, a 4x4. And then we have another wallet here with some photo mats. And then we have some layered pockets here. And this, I just showed her that this is what she can do with the stickers, just to finish it up. And then we have some more 4x4s and 4x6s. Another angle pocket here. Lots of room for photos. Another cute paper. And then again, I just left room here so she can put the photo. And then the last wallet on this side. Another acetate pocket, photo mats. And then more photo mats. And more cards. And then the back pocket with a couple more 4x6 cutouts. And then you just photo mats on the back. And this is my photo album for my grandson, Jacob, and I hope he likes it. And thank you for watching.